When it comes to trucking, no one offers you more. Rush Truck Centers of Canada is part of North America's largest dealership network, Rush Enterprises, with 150 locations, including 12 dealerships and 6 associate locations in Ontario. Our customers receive unrivaled support wherever they are. We provide integrated, one-stop service and sales of new and used heavy and medium-duty trucks, aftermarket parts, collision repair, leasing, and rental options through Idealease. Since 1973, we've earned our reputation for fairness, excellence, and solutions that exceed customer expectations. We offer industry-leading brands, and our knowledgeable sales specialists can help spec the right truck or trailer for your unique business needs. With over 20 million in parts and accessories, including OEM and aftermarket replacements for all makes and models, chances are we'll have what you need. At Rush Truck Centers, we aim to increase your uptime and lower operating costs. With 150-plus state-of-the-art service bays and factory-trained technicians, we support all commercial truck repairs. We offer preventative maintenance, 24/7 mobile service, telematics solutions, and more. Leasing from Rush Truck Centers of Canada Idealease can be a better decision for your business. Lease industry-leading vehicles with superior maintenance and services like 24/7 roadside assistance and mobile service. Idealease offers flexible lease, rental, and maintenance options for your fleet, including specialized equipment. Rush Truck Centers of Canada. Expect more.